Fivyake, and welcome to Stats Chapter 3, Numerical Summaries of Center and Variation. Now this question has troubled many students, so I picked it out and let's go through it together. And this is mainly about finding outliers, and let's take 2 seconds to think of the formula for finding outlier. Here's the hint. Outliers is to be found by Q1 minus the 1.5 IQR and Q3 plus the 1.5 IQR. Notice that these two would become a range, and any numbers outside this lower bound and upper bound would be an outlier. Now, what is outlier? Outlier is an extreme number that occurs in a distribution, and IQR here stands for interquartile range. To find that, we could go back to the question and we could click the icon here and open all these data in StatCrunch, and here's all the data, and go to stats, summary stats column, and notice all the data are under the column of driving death rate, and you could calculate the interquartile range by Q3 minus Q1, or you could just simply check this box here. So IQR is 7.2 and 1.5 IQR would be 10.8. And back to the question, our Q1 is 14.5, Q3 is 21.7. So if we are to calculate the interval, it'll be Q1 minus 1.5 IQR, which is 3.7, and Q3 plus the 1.5 IQR, which is 32.5. So any numbers that go beyond 3.7 and 32.5 would be an outlier. If we go back to the table, there is only one number that is higher than 32.5, so there is only one outlier. So since the dots are representing the outliers, one dot would be suitable for this answer. And now this is where it gets tricky. They're actually asking about the state numbers, so the states that is or are potential outliers. So since there is only one state, so we can go ahead and put state number 21. Thank you for watching.